stunning rhinestone nail designs to elevate your glam game. Get ready to dazzle with our curated collection of the top 20 rhinestone nail designs that'll take your manicure game to the next level. From timeless classics to bold statements, these designs are sure to inspire your inner nail artist. Let's dive in. Classic French tip. Elevate the timeless French manicure with delicate rhinestone accents along the tips for a touch of sophistication. Ombre Glitter Glam. Blend two complementary glitter polishes for a stunning ombre effect. Then add rhinestones along the gradient for extra sparkle. Elegant Floral. Create intricate floral patterns using rhinestones as the center of each blossom, perfect for weddings and special occasions. Crystal Clear. Keep it simple yet striking with clear rhinestones arranged in geometric patterns over a nude base for a modern, minimalist look. Royal Red Carpet. Paint your nails in a rich, regal shade like deep burgundy or royal purple. Then adorn with opulent gold rhinestones for a luxurious finish. Marble Masterpiece. Mimic the look of marble with a swirled nail design in soft pastel hues, accentuated by scattered rhinestones for added elegance. Pearl Perfection. Combine tiny pearls and rhinestones for a delicate and feminine manicure that exudes understated glamour. Galactic Goddess. Embrace celestial vibes with a galaxy-inspired nail design featuring dark hues, shimmering glitter, and scattered rhinestones for a cosmic effect. Chef Chevron. Create a chef chevron pattern using alternating colors and sizes of rhinestones for a trendy and eye-catching look. Pastel Dream. Paint each nail in a different pastel shade and adorn with rhinestones in coordinating colors for a playful and whimsical manicure. Gilded Goddess. Paint your nails in a metallic gold polish and add rhinestones in varying sizes and shapes for a luxe and glamorous finish. Boho Beauty. Channel bohemian vibes with a nail design featuring earthy tones, intricate patterns, and strategically placed rhinestones for a free-spirited look. Rainbow Rave. Paint each nail in a different, vibrant hue of the rainbow and adorn with rhinestones in corresponding colors for a bold and colorful statement. Starry Night. Create a celestial scene with a dark blue or black base and add rhinestones in the shape of stars and constellations for a dreamy manicure. Art Deco Glamour. Pay homage to the Roaring 20s with a Gatsby-inspired nail design featuring bold geometric shapes and shimmering rhinestones for a touch of opulence. Tropical Paradise. Transport yourself to a tropical island with a nail design featuring palm leaves, hibiscus flowers, and sparkling rhinestones for a beachy vibe. Neon Lights. Paint your nails in neon shades and add rhinestones in contrasting colors for a bold and vibrant manicure that's sure to turn heads. Futuristic Fusion. Embrace futuristic vibes with a metallic silver or chrome base and add rhinestones in geometric patterns for a modern and edgy look. Vintage Romance. Add a touch of old-world glamour with a vintage-inspired nail design featuring lace patterns, pearls, and delicate rhinestones for a romantic finish. Holiday Sparkle. Celebrate the festive season with a nail design featuring glittering rhinestones in red, green, and gold for a merry and bright manicure. And there you have it, 20 stunning rhinestone nail designs to inspire your next manicure masterpiece. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nail inspiration. Until next time, keep sparkling.